Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to begin. First, confirm the TV's mirroring protocol, because that determines the exact pairing steps. Once done, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network or enable Wi-Fi Direct if you lack a router. Next, on the TV, open Settings or the input menu and turn on Screen Mirroring, AirPlay, or Chromecast mode as applicable. This primes the TV to accept a connection and makes the TV discoverable to your phone, tablet, or laptop for the next step. Now switch to your phone, tablet, or computer and start the actual cast. On mobile, open Control Center or Quick Settings and tap Screencast or Mirror. On Windows, open Action Center and choose Connect, and on Mac OS, click the AirPlay icon in the menu bar. Select the TV's name from the list, and if a PIN appears on the TV, type it into your device to authenticate. Once connected, you'll see the device display on the TV. Adjust orientation or resolution if the image looks off. Finish by confirming audio and display settings. Select the TV as audio output, choose an appropriate resolution, and adjust scaling so UI elements aren't cut off. To end mirroring, use your device's quick settings or switch the TV input. If mirroring fails, restart both the TV and source device, then reconnect. Make sure both are on the same network or try Wi-Fi Direct. If problems persist, consider a wired HDMI adapter as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.